Hello students, so welcome to this platform. So in today's session we want to solve this question right here. So the question reads, solve the equation 3x squared equals x. So what we have today is an equation. So in this particular question we want to find the values of x. We want to know what is x equal to. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? So let's quickly dive in and solve it together. Okay, so the first step is to bring x to the other side. So you can see that x on the right side is positive. As soon as it goes to the other side, it becomes negative. Okay, so what we're going to have is 3x squared. So when x goes to the other side, becomes negative. So minus x equals, so we had an x here. As soon as x goes to the other side, we have a 0 there. Okay, then at this stage, what we need to do is factorize. Okay, so you can see that we have an x there. We also have another x there. So what do? We factor out x. So when x is outside here, we put brackets like that. So x into 3x squared will give us 3x. In other words, when we factor out an x, 3x squared becomes 3x here. Okay, because when we say x times 3x, it will still give us 3x squared. Then now x into x there will be 1. But take note, there's a negative here, so you don't need to forget that. So minus, so x into x, 1 like that, equals 0. Okay, so at this stage, what we need to do now, we need to remember something. If you have two expressions multiplying, let's say you have expression a and b, and they are both multiplying and equal to 0. So what you just need to do is set each piece equal to 0. So a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. So a is 0 or b is 0. So it's the same thing here. You can see x and 3x minus 1 are multiplying. So we just set each piece equal to 0. So it means x is equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 0, or we take negative 1 to the other side, it becomes positive 1. Then we divide by 3 both sides. So you can see that x here is 1 over 3. So we now conclude and say, therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 3. And there you have it. These are your two answers. X is 0 or x is 1 over 3. And that's how you do it. See you in the next video.